Elliot and I-10. I want to show this property. 3 bedroom, 2 bath with a pool, single level, ready to go. People love to live in Tempe, the younger population, especially because it's close not only to the school, a lot of jobs, the I-10, the freeway system. What's an ideal backyard in Arizona? You need to have some water, you need to have some plants. What if the plants give you fruits too? We have grapefruit, lemon, moringa, and also a curry leaf. This low maintenance backyard has flagstone everywhere, plus you have a gated fence around the pool. That makes it perfect for a rental property or if you are going to have little kids who are visiting you. I would encourage you to call us so that we can show you this property, which should be sold very, very soon. Not only is it a perfect 3 bedroom rental, but it's a perfect investment property for a lot of demographics. AvNet, even Intel is not that far. So if you're an investor who wants to buy a good rental property wherein you want to stay away from the student housing, this is a strategic location right by Elliot and I-10. I want to show this property. The homeowner has done ton of upgrades. Come on in, let me show you what it has to offer. Of course, it has beautiful roses. As soon as you enter, it's very rare that we see formal living areas these days. The home offers beautiful, spacious formal living with custom lighting that the homeowner has picked. And then it is totally separate from a private kitchen. Kitchen is where families spend 90% of the time. Even though you are on a diet, you want to be around the kitchen. The reason for that is you have stainless steel appliances. In fact, it's a brand new dishwasher. In addition to that, we have countertops that are changed. It's granite single slab countertop. Then you have backsplash, custom lighting. In fact, all the bulbs have been changed to LED lighting to be more efficient. This family room connects with the kitchen and then you overlook the pool. From the family room, you want to bring the outside in. The way this floor plan is laid out is not only can you see the pool and the spa, but it's also totally fenced so that if you have little kids, they are protected. If you are going to use it as an investment property, you're already secure. Please come outside and I want to show you how well the layout is done for the pool and the spa, perfect for the Arizona summers. All this is a space wherein families love to have a chat while you watch TV and make sure that you have access to the food right away. And from here, the floor plan is very strategically made. You have the master, then 2 bedrooms. It's a single level floor plan with no carpet whatsoever, and it offers 3 spacious bedrooms. Of course, the master is on the side where the pool is. So as soon as you wake up, you get to see the pool. What the owners did was they have completely redone the house, including the closets. Let me show you the closets, which are done by Classy Closets. Very, very useful to have so much of storage. It can fit all your wardrobe. The master bath is also completely redone. If you look at it, not only does it have a standard bathtub, but all the cabinetry, the wash sink, mirrors, even the shower is completely redone. So you're buying this property wherein you cannot assume that, hey, it's the original. Everything is new and it's ready to be your retirement house or a first-time buyer house or a terrific investment property. Let me show you the 2 other bedrooms that are going to blow you away. Both the bedrooms have the closets also redone by Classy Closets. What it means is, if you are going to have your kids use the bedroom, Just be assured that you have so much of storage for the kids, both the kids' bedrooms. Plus, there is a separate bathroom for 2 kids. Attention to detail. The seller has made sure that even the laundry room has not only newer appliances, but it has lot of shelving that is totally custom made. You step into the garage, you notice the same attention. Not only do you have beautiful epoxy flooring, you see custom cabinetry, which is top of the line. You can have so much of storage, and even if you look around the garage, there is so much of storage space. Not only does it have brand new water heater, you know Tempe, Arizona. If you own a home anywhere in Arizona, you know that Tempe is a hot area. If you want to buy a home for your own retirement, for your kids, or an investment home, our team is ready to help you. Give us a call and we can arrange a private showing.